Most people start their day with drinks that quietly spike blood sugar, causing crashes, cravings, and fatigue, but the right choices can do the opposite. In this video, you'll discover 3 simple research-backed drinks that keep blood sugar steady. And the first one? A cozy spice you likely already have in your kitchen. Cinnamon tea is a simple drink with surprising potential to support blood sugar control. Swapping your usual morning beverage for a warm cup of this spice-infused tea doesn't just add comfort to your routine, it may also help your body handle energy more steadily throughout the day. Affordable, easy to prepare, and familiar, cinnamon offers more than flavor. What makes it stand out is that compounds in cinnamon appear to make insulin work a bit better and even slow the rate at which carbohydrates enter your bloodstream. Many people think of cinnamon only as a seasoning for oatmeal or desserts, but it interacts with your body in more meaningful ways. By supporting steadier glucose processing, it reduces the spikes and dips that leave you feeling drained. Think of it as smoothing out the way food turns into fuel, offering consistent energy rather than sharp highs and crashes. Research provides some perspective here. In one randomized study lasting around 90 days, people with type 2 diabetes who added about 1 gram of cinnamon daily lowered their HbA1c by roughly 0.8%, compared with just 0.37% in those who relied on usual care alone. That difference shows cinnamon can meaningfully support long-term blood sugar control in some cases. The proposed mechanisms help explain these findings. Cinnamon contains plant compounds that may boost insulin sensitivity, slow stomach emptying, and block enzymes that break down carbohydrates. In plain terms, it helps insulin work a bit more effectively and delays how quickly sugars from your food hit your bloodstream. For safe and practical use, stick to 0.5 to 1 gram per day, which is about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. If you plan to use it daily, Ceylon cinnamon is the safer option because it contains far less coumarin than the cassia type, which in higher amounts can stress the liver. But here's the twist. Certain seeds, when prepared one way, can significantly lower blood sugar, and when used another way, barely move the needle. Coming up next, you'll see how the method makes all the difference. Fenugreek seeds may look ordinary, but their impact on blood sugar depends almost entirely on how you prepare them. Used for centuries in traditional medicine across India, the Middle East, and China, fenugreek has long been valued for digestive and metabolic health. For managing diabetes, though, the details of preparation make all the difference. Simply sprinkling fenugreek seeds into food or blending them into yogurt usually produces little change, but when steeped in hot water, the results can be striking. Heat and soaking help extract soluble fiber and compounds like 4-hydroxyisoleucine, which research suggests may slow carbohydrate absorption and support insulin release. These actions are subtle but meaningful. They reduce the glucose surge after meals and may help your body clear sugar from the blood more effectively. One controlled trial found that participants who consumed about 10 grams of fenugreek seeds, soaked in hot water daily, lowered their fasting glucose by roughly 20 to 25% after several months. By contrast, eating the same seeds mixed into yogurt showed no measurable effect. This emphasizes how much the chosen method matters. Broader research supports this pattern. A meta-analysis of multiple trials showed that medium to high doses, typically 5 to 25 grams daily, taken consistently for weeks improved both fasting glucose and HbA1c levels. These aren't immediate changes, but gradual improvements that appear with steady use over 4 to 8 weeks. For practical purposes, one approach is to start with 5 grams twice a day, steeping whole or lightly crushed seeds in hot water for several minutes, or soaking them overnight and drinking the infusion before meals. This routine mirrors the methods used in studies and makes it easy to track results over time. Most people tolerate fenugreek well, though it can sometimes cause mild digestive discomfort or a distinct body odor. If you already take medication to lower blood sugar, monitor your readings closely, as fenugreek may increase the effect and raise the risk of low glucose. And while it comes from seeds, the next option is something very different, a creamy drink with living cultures that can also help your body use insulin more effectively. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that offers more than just a refreshing taste. It carries measurable benefits for blood sugar control. Unlike standard milk or even yogurt, kefir is created using live cultures of bacteria and yeast, which transform it into a creamy, tangy drink with unique properties. For people managing diabetes, several trials suggest that this difference matters. What sets kefir apart is its diversity of probiotic strains. While yogurt typically contains a handful of bacterial cultures, kefir can contain dozens of species, including both bacteria and yeasts. This broader mix appears to affect the way your body responds to sugar. In one randomized trial from Gaza, patients with type 2 diabetes who drank kefir daily alongside their usual metformin saw fasting glucose drop from about 112 milligrams per deciliter to 92 in 10 weeks, a noticeable improvement in less than 3 months. Other studies have echoed these results. An 8-week Iranian trial found that probiotic kefir lowered fasting blood sugar and insulin resistance more than regular fermented milk. Adding context, a 2021 meta-analysis confirmed that kefir consistently reduces fasting glucose and insulin, although its effects on longer-term HbA1c have been less consistent. The likely reason for these shifts is straightforward. Kefir's live cultures improve the balance of bacteria in your gut, which seems to reduce inflammation and make insulin more effective. Put simply, it helps your body use sugar more efficiently, promoting steadier blood sugar control throughout the day. If you want to try kefir yourself, the best option is plain, unsweetened versions. Flavored kefirs often contain added sugar, which may cancel out the benefit. Clinical studies have used amounts ranging from 1 cup up to about 600 milliliters per day, so starting with a cup of plain kefir daily is a reasonable and practical goal. Be aware that different brands and fermentation methods produce different strains and levels of live bacteria, so results can vary. These drinks can set you up for stable blood sugar, but the wrong breakfast can undo it all in minutes. Tap the video on screen to see the 5 breakfast foods diabetics should never start the day with. Don't skip this. It's the next step to protecting your blood sugar.